Alright guys, Halloween is right around the corner, and I'm guessing quite a few of you probably don't have a costume picked out, considering that you clicked on this video. So, here are 40 last-minute Halloween costumes that you can put together like that. 3, 2, 1, go! So I've divided these costumes up into a few different categories, and the first group we're gonna start out with is characters. First, we have Lara Jean from To All the Boys I Loved Before. Lara Jean has so many cute outfits, so I just picked the one from the cover of the movie. For this costume, you'll need a plaid skirt, gray long sleeve, layer a white collared shirt underneath it, pink cardigan over the top, and pull the look together with gray tights. Next up is everyone's favorite lawyer, Elle Woods from Legally Blonde. I went with Elle's outfit from her orientation day at Harvard for my costume, and this striped off-the-shoulder top was very hard to find, but I did track one down that's very similar from Amazon, so I'll have that linked in the description along with literally every single other item I'm wearing in this video. You'll also need pink jeans and a pink beret and a little bruiser, of course, and no, it's not a coincidence, I did name my Chihuahua Bruiser after Elle Woods' Chihuahua in Legally Blonde. Number 3, Indiana Jones is a really easy costume to put together. I already had most of this stuff in my closet. Brown shorts, tan button-up shirt, brown leather jacket, and a brown hat. And if you feel like going the extra mile, you could always carry around some rope to swing around all night too. The Koolaid Man. This DIY costume is so easy to make, you could literally throw it together in less than 10 minutes before heading out on Halloween. Just cut out the Koolaid Man's face with black peel and stick felt, attach it to a red shirt or dress, and you're ready to go. Oh yeah! This is actually what I wore for Halloween last year, Evan Hansen from the Broadway musical Dear Evan Hansen. Just wear a blue and white striped polo and wrap your arm in a makeshift cast. Write Connor on the cast, but make sure it's with an OR, not an ER. I kind of messed that up. I'm ready. Okay, so I wanted to do Spongebob, but I didn't want to wear like a sponge suit, so I just modernized his outfit. You'll need brown shorts, a white dress shirt, red tie, and I threw on some yellow earrings, so I at least have some sort of hint of yellow in my costume. Patrick Star. Nope, not that Patrick Star. This Patrick Star. For SpongeBob's BFF, I'm wearing a pink crop top and a green skater skirt. And I cut out some purple peel and stick felt and attached it to the skirt to replicate the pattern on his shorts from the show. Okay, so for last year's Halloween series, I did Karen and Regina from Mean Girls. Now it's time for Regina's mom. Such an icon. Just wear a pink velour sweatsuit and dance around and be embarrassing all night. My specialty. I love Friends so much, but coming up with a Rachel costume was a big challenge because she has so many iconic outfits in the show. I went with a white turtleneck sweater and a brown plaid skirt, which I feel like is very Rachel. This is a total classic one, Sandra Dee from Grease, but at the end of the movie when she's trying to be like a hot biker chick. This outfit is so fun. You just need leather pants, a black off-the-shoulder top, and some red lipstick. And Minnie Mouse! I have gone as Minnie Mouse for multiple Halloween parties when I just needed to come up with something quick at the last minute. You just need something red and white polka dotted like her dress, and a pair of Disney ears. Now, I'm too young to have actually watched Baywatch growing up, but I know it makes a cute costume. So if you're trying to dress a little scandalous this Halloween, throw on a red swimsuit and some sunglasses to be a Baywatch lifeguard. Onto a more family-friendly costume, Winnie the Pooh. You'll need some yellow shorts, a red t-shirt, and some little Winnie the Pooh ears to tie it all together. These ones I found on Amazon are actually meant for toddlers, but hey, they fit my head just fine. Sharpay from High School Musical, my queen! Just wear anything that's pink or sparkly or both. I had this dress from the video I did where I dressed like Trisha Paytas for a week, and I feel like it just screams Sharpay. Next category is puns. I did a video last year with 10 punny costumes, but I've got some new ones for you this year. Hawaiian Punch. Get it? Get it? This category is basically just dad jokes in costume form. I'm sorry. For Hawaiian Punch, wear a Hawaiian shirt or dress, maybe a lei, and boxing gloves. Boom! Hawaiian Punch. The breadwinner. If you aren't familiar with this saying, calling someone the breadwinner basically just means someone who like makes a lot of money or like a provider. But for this costume, I'm taking it literally. All you need is a first place medal and some bread. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a second to try and figure out what this costume is. Comment right now if you get it. I'm a ceiling fan. This one, oh my gosh, this one makes me laugh too hard. Foam finger and just a shirt that says go ceiling, and I'm a fan of the ceiling. A ceiling fan. The puns continue. I'm a party animal. Just wear any sort of like going out dress or party dress and an animal mask. You're a party animal. I'm the queen of holding grudges. I guess you could say I have a chip on my shoulder. For this costume, just wear whatever you want and carry a potato chip on your shoulder. Easiest costume ever. You guys, I have an A in my math class this semester. I guess you could say I'm a smart cookie. For this costume, just wear a graduation cap and carry around some cookies. Look at you little smart cookie. It seems like every girl dresses up as a cat for Halloween, so why not switch it up and be a copycat? I just took some of that peel and stick felt, spelt out copy, and wore some basic girl cat ears. Okay, now that all the cringe of my dad jokes is done, into some celebrity costumes. You could go as the old Taylor Swift, like Fearless era Taylor. I just replicated her Junior Jewels shirt from the You Belong With Me music video with some t-shirt crayons from Hobby Lobby, and this is about a 20-minute DIY. I put my hair in a messy bun and wore my glasses, and I'm old Taylor Swift. Fast forward a few years, and you could be the new Taylor Swift from the Look What You Made Me Do video. Full body fishnets, raver shorts, a sequin bandeau, and just cut up a black sweatshirt to match hers from the video. Now, what kind of YouTuber would I be if I didn't have some of my fellow YouTubers on this list? I'm an OG Jenna Marbles fan, so dressing up like her was real fun. I just wore black leggings, a black t-shirt, old school choker, purple hair extensions, and I tried to recreate her neat dude beanie with some peel and stick felt, but cutting out those tiny letters was way harder than I expected. So I guess Miranda Sings technically should be with the characters group, but since I'm doing other YouTubers here, Miranda Sings. You'll need an oversized striped dress shirt, red sweatpants, some bobby pins for the Miranda Sings hairstyle, and just really go to town with that red lipstick. I'm spilling all the YouTube tea. That's right, I'm Shane Dawson. To be Shane Dawson for Halloween, you're going to need some of his merch and then wrap yourself in a blanket because I feel like he's always Snapchatting like wrapped in a blanket or a big sweatshirt. And wear your hair kind of messy, maybe don't shower because, you know, you've been up all night editing your latest docuseries. The lip kit queen herself. Up next is Kylie Jenner. For Kylie, I bought a super trendy Instagram baddie outfit that is so not my style, but very much Kylie's style. Biker shorts, cropped hoodie, little red sunglasses, and of course, you gotta carry around a Kylie lip kit. A more classic Hollywood name for our next costume, Audrey Hepburn. I'm wearing her iconic outfit from Breakfast at Tiffany's with a little black dress, long black gloves, pearls, sunglasses, and that old style giant cigarette holder. It's fake, of course. Not quite as glamorous, but just as much of an icon in my heart, Bob Ross. He is my fave. All you need to be the almighty Bob Ross is a long dress shirt or painter's shirt, a paint palette, and a short curly wig. Now just go paint all of those sunny sunsets. Our last category has 11 basic costumes, really simple, classic Halloween costume ideas. First basic costume, Rosie the Riveter. This costume is so cute and easy. You just need a denim button-up shirt and a polka dot bandana. Oh, and you gotta strike that pose, of course. You could be a nerd. Just wear some super high-rise shorts or pants, tuck in a white dress shirt, grab a bow tie and some glasses, and you're good to go for Halloween. For this pirate costume, the only thing you really need to buy is the hat. If you have a striped dress or shirt in your closet, throw that on, accessorize with a red scarf, and pick up a pirate hat from the costume section at any store to pull the costume together. This cute little DIY cactus costume is so fun. I'm just wearing a green dress and I cut out little V's from white peel and stick felt to look like the thorns. Boom, you're a cactus. I mean, hey, as long as we're dressing up like plant life, why not be a sunflower? For this costume, you'll need a dress with some sort of sunflower print and a flower crown. Super easy costume, and I'll take any excuse to wear a little flower crown. Costume idea, what number even is this one? Costume number 35. You could be a flight attendant. You just need a knee-length pencil skirt, dress shirt tucked in, and a little necktie or ascot. To be a referee for Halloween, you could go buy an actual referee jersey or just wear something that's black and white striped that you already have like I did. Grab a whistle and you're good to go, Mr. Referee. For this construction worker costume, I actually bought like a kid's construction dress-up playset for like $8 on Amazon, but the little hat and vest fit me perfectly. Just put on some basics underneath and you're a construction worker. On the more feminine side, you could be a 50s housewife. I'm wearing this vintage style dress that reminds me very much of Amber from Hairspray. Some pearls, and I put my hair in a little low bun. Only 2 costumes left. Number 39, a bank robber. Wear a black and white striped shirt or sweater, put on a mask, and walk around looking very sus all night. My last costume idea, if the first 39 didn't do it for you, dress up as a firefighter. Number 40, woohoo! I'm wearing this little red overall dress that is just so dang cute and a firefighter hat. Again, made for toddlers, but somehow fits my head. Yay! Thanks so much for watching. There is a supplies list in the description if you want to order any of these items for your costume, and most of them are from Amazon, so if you're within 2 days of Halloween, you can still get it and Amazon Prime it. If these 40 costumes just didn't do it for you, if you need some more, click that card right up there for my last minute Halloween costumes video that I did last year. And if that still doesn't do it for you, there's a link in the description for my entire Halloween costumes playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and my Halloween series as a whole. I'll see you next time with another new video. Bye!